Hello everybody, welcome to Henry Studios. Today we are making a turkey avocado bacon sandwich, aka the tab. Okay, so first off we're going to go through the ingredients you need. So first you need some cheese. Any type of cheese is fine. I like Gouda and cheddar. And you're going to use turkey next, any type of turkey sliced. And you have some avocado spread that you will need for the bread. And you'll need some bacon. And here's a tip for the bacon. If you don't want to just get the whole piece when you take a bite of your sandwich, chop it up first and then put it on your sandwich. And at restaurants, if you don't want the bacon to just come out when you take a bite of your burger or sandwich, ask for it extra cooked so then it crunches in your mouth with the bite of the sandwich. Okay, so we have 2 slices of sourdough bread, as you can see. We like the Seattle bakery kind in the big round loaf, but unfortunately we couldn't get that today. So first, we're going to want to toast your bread at 2.5. And you Okay, so bread, it's done. We're going to use our handy dandy toast tongs and almost drop the bread on the floor. And shout out to my grandpa for giving us the idea of toast tongs. And we're going to get our avocado spread. My favorite spread in the world. Put a glob on each piece of bread. Get your handy dandy knife and spread. Some nice toast ASMR noises for you. And now this slice. Okay, so now we are going to do our salt and our pepper on our avocado spread. I like lots of pepper though, so don't be concerned. Now, don't do too much salt. And now to add our bacon on our sandwich. Bacon. It's especially good on avocado toast. I love avocado toast. Make sure you have your bacon out evenly and go give yourselves a hand washing if you have greasy bacon hands. Shout out to my uncle for introducing me to Cholula, and a few drops on here is actually pretty good. I like spicy things, so drizzle, couple drip drops, drip drop, drip drop, drip drop, drip drop, and that's good. Struggle to put the cap back on. Now it's time for one of the best parts, cheese. Cheese, cheese, cheese. So cheesy, so cheesy. Cheese, cheese, cheese. Cheese, cheese, cheese. I'm gonna say cheese for 2 more hours. Okay? These are thin sized, and I cut our Gouda pretty thin too. So, yeah. Now we're gonna add our turkey. Turkey, turkey, turkey. However much turkey you want. I prefer like 4 to 5 slices. And wipe your hands on your apron. And now, time to put this back on. Look at that admirable sandwich. Now to get our humongous knife and chop it in half like a samurai. Time to try it. If I can pick it up. Now that's a good sandwich. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on notifications.